Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit, fine, and doing your studies well. Okay, children, do you know what we are going to study today? We are going to study chapter number 4 of computer. Okay, children. Children, have you seen this instrument? Have you seen this device? Yes, children, this is known as computer. So identify this. This is CPU. What it is? This is CPU, children. This is monitor, and this device is known as a mouse, and this device is known as a keyboard. So children, today in this chapter, we are going to study about this device. It means we are going to study about keyboard in detail. So let's start, children. Okay. Children, you can see this keyboard on your screen. Yes, this is known as keyboard. Children, it is the most important part of a computer. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has many keys on it. Children, you can see this keyboard. There are many keys on it. See, many types of keys are there on this keyboard. So, why do we use this keyboard, children? These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. Once again, children, these keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. With the help of these keys, we can type letters, numbers, or any symbol. These are symbols, students. You can see on this keyboard. These are known as keys. On every key, there is one symbol or one alphabet or one letter. So, children, in this chapter, we will study about different types of keys. First, okay, before I'll tell you that how many types of keys are there on the keyboard, can anyone guess? Basically, children, there are 5 types of keyboard. How many types of keys are there? 5. How many types? 5. First, alphabet keys. Second, numeric keys. Third, special keys. And fourth one is combination keys. And fifth one is punctuation keys. Children, we will study about all these keys in the detail in this chapter. So, first key is alphabet keys. Let's study about these keys in detail. What it is, children? Once again, tell me. This is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. So, before studying about each type of keys, first identify the different type of keys on the keyboard. Children, you can see numbers are written on every key. Numbers are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. These all numbers are written here. And you can see one more set of keys are there here on the right side of the keyboard. Yes. So these keys are known as number keys. What these keys are known as? Number keys. Remember, children, in every keyboard, there are 2 sets of number keys. One set of key is just above the alphabet keys, and the second number keys are present on the right side of the keyboard. You can see here, children, on the keyboard. Yes. Next. See what it is written on this key. Del. So What do we call this key? This key is known as delete key. Which key? Delete key. Children, just now I am only making you familiar with the keys. I am not explaining you the function of these keys. I'll explain you later in this video. Now see children, you can see some arrows here on the keys. Upper side, downwards, right side and left side. So all these 4 keys are known as arrow keys. What do we call these keys? Arrow keys. Now, next, very important. You can see different alphabets are written on each key. You can see on this key Q is written, and on this key what it is written? D, and here H, here N. So first tell me children, how many alphabets are there in English grammar? There are basically 26 alphabets. Okay, so all 26 alphabets are present on our keyboard. So these all keys are known as alphabet keys. Next, you can see here what it is written. Caps lock. Caps lock is written here. So what do we call this key? What is the name of this key? Caps lock key. This key is known as caps lock key. Next, children. Identify this key. What is the name of this key, children? Can anyone guess? The name of this key is space bar key. What is the name of this key? Space bar key. Now, identify these 2 keys. Enter, and here it is written enter. So, what do we call these keys? What is the name of these 2 keys? Enter keys. I hope children, now you all are familiar the different types of keys that are present on our keyboard. These are the main keys which we use on and on. It means which we use regularly. Next. Now first we will study about alphabet keys. So children, just before this slide, I have told you that how many alphabets are there? Total 26 English alphabets are there. Q, W, S, F, G. So on each key, each alphabet is written. In total, how many keys are there? 26. And in English grammar, how many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets are there, children. So let us see what is the use of these keys. Alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z. Children, all the alphabets are there on these keys, but remember, they are not in sequence. Always, whenever you will see a keyboard, it will be written in this sequence only. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. How many keys are there on a keyboard, children? 26 alphabet keys. Like this, you can see here. We can type words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. What we can type, children? We can type words or sentences with the help of these keys. Now, children, let's do a small practical, children. You can see a keyboard here. Now, what I will do, I will type and you will see. For example, children, I want to write my name. So, which key I will use? Alphabet keys for writing my name. So, I want to write my name. My name is Neha. So, what I will do? I will type N, then E, then children, Once again, children. N, then E, then H, then A. So in this way, when I am pressing each alphabet on the keyboard, then I can see that alphabet on the screen. You can see that I have written my name. In the same way, I can write any sentence also with the help of these E's. Now children, for example, I want to write, I am a girl. First, I will press I, then A, M, a girl. G, I, R. See, I am pressing, then the numbers, the alphabets are coming. R, L. Okay, children. So in this way, we can make use of alphabet keys. I hope children till now you have understood well. So revise this video thoroughly again and again. Thank you.